Here's how you can earn extra money while working full-time. With record high inflation, the cost of living has risen across the world, while the purchasing power of the people continues to deteriorate. Therefore, a traditional 9-to-5 job seems insufficient to make you financially stable. As a result, many people are broadening their horizons, looking for opportunities in side hustles to supplement their main income and achieve financial freedom. However, many wonder if a side hustle is possible while working a full-time job. The answer? Yes. Depending on which country you live in, you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,000 and more a month from a side hustle. The average American spends 2 hours and 33 minutes a day watching TV, Forbes reported, citing the Statista website. Here are some productive alternatives that will make you earn an extra $1,000 per month. Number 1. Use your skills. Are you good at writing, editing, graphic designing, or doing administrative tasks? Whatever your skill is, you can monetize it by setting up freelance profiles on platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr. Number 2. Dog walking. Even though everyone loves their pet, some pet owners find it more convenient to pay someone to walk their dogs. It's super simple to get started with a dog walking job. All you need to do is sign up to one of the many dog walking apps such as Rover, Wag, or Fetch and get started, Forbes wrote. Number 3. Become an Uber driver. Companies such as Uber, Lyft, and Get. In Pakistan, you have Careem, InDrive, and Bikea. All hire self-employed drivers to give people rides to their chosen destinations. The best part? You decide when and how long you work. If you live in a big city and own your own car, this is a great way to earn an extra $1,000 per month. Pro tip: we know people who only pick rides to and from work in the vicinity of their offices. They say it helps them cover fuel costs. Number 4. Become a food delivery driver. As long as you've got a clean driving license, no criminal record, and a smartphone, this is one of the easiest part-time jobs to get, and you can start work immediately. Number 5. Become a handyman. If you know how to fix things around the house, hang pictures up, build some furniture, and fix your computers and televisions, you can always offer your services on a website such as Craigslist.com or TaskRabbit.com. In Pakistan, you can share your services via WhatsApp message or social media posts. If you reside anywhere else, any of these don't apply to you. Other options such as private tuition, copy and content writing are also extremely lucrative. Teachers we've gotten in touch with say they make up to $400 for a month teaching tuitions to kids 5 days a week. Depending on where you live, who you teach, and your level of expertise, you could do as much or more. Just remember, a job is a job, even if it's a side hustle. You need to spend a couple of hours a day applying for work or building your profile and portfolio. If you're considering taking the freelance route, consistency is key, and by creating extra streams of money and investing it in creating the life that you desire, it won't be long before you're raking in more than $1,000 per month.